Man, Saudi Arabia is just off the charts. They've gone all out, not only cranking up the AC outdoors, but dropping billions of bucks on creating the world's biggest shade umbrellas to keep folks cool. These sunshades are like streetlights on steroids, standing tall in Riyadh's Massive Square. The tallest one reaches a staggering 40 meters, which is like 14 stories high. Get this, it only takes 3 minutes to pop them all open, covering a whopping 2,300 square meters, almost half a soccer field. And when they're all up, it can cool the square down by at least 8 degrees. These bad boys even have air conditioning inside, blowing cold air out. So, no matter how scorching hot it gets in the summer, that square stays comfy. These umbrellas were custom made by a German company, meeting Saudi's specs, and they're rocking this special material called polytet